How to repost someone else's story on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to repost someone else's story on Instagram, you need to make sure that you have been tagged or mentioned. So for that, first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device. Here, you'll be able to see different stories that are available over here. So if that story does not pop up over here, you can also get the mentions on your notifications. So you can just go to any profile that you feel have tagged you in the story. So here, if you have been mentioned or if you want to repost someone else's story, you'll be tagged or mentioned and you'll get this option of add to your story. So just tap on add to your story. You can select the way you would want to repost and then tap on your stories, and that's how you can repost someone else's story on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.